Hey, what's up? This is just like 11 minutes of raw Kyle. He is, well, if you recognize his voice from the first video we have uploaded on this channel, that it's just him. He is a really cool person and he's a really good friend of mine. And so he was making some funny noises while playing this weird narwhal game, I think. And so I was like, it would be really weird if we uploaded just a blank screen, well, black screen, of just Kyle making these odd noises, and so I'm not going to stretch this on past 45 seconds.
God. This game's hype. I'm God. We were both the same thickness. Pick some God. Dang, it's small Mark again. Clutch. His name's Clutch, and it was spelled wrong. The dude, the this is cruel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. But what? Why don't yeah. I'm dying. Okay. This name is Big Bees. Oh, this ad gives me ads. You know what I mean? Okay, this time I'm normal. Well, boy, no one will think it's me, so they won't be scared of me. You know. Airport hobo. I was killed by airport hobo. Oh. Advertisements. No. My mom said a bad word. What? What? I'm you. Oh, I am. That's my dad's default thing, so I don't change it. I don't know if he likes it or not, you know? He probably doesn't. Ooh, ooh, Demi Lovato. I hate her. Um, dude, my stick's big. He has a lightsaber. No, no, he doesn't. He's dead. I don't even know what these blocks do anymore. This game is the easiest thing I've ever done in my life besides breathe and masturbate. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, okay, that's fine. I was gonna play unicorn.io. What does that even mean? Advent action crap. Okay, watch this. Oh, oh, it's right there. Ooh, yeah. Tell me, Look, my KD is god level. There's a lot of people here. Nope, I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna like try to get to 10,000. You know what I mean? Oh god, that's gonna take a long time. Do you think I'll be stuck on the map because of how big it won't become? It's big like his. Watch this. Thank God. Got him. What? We're playing Unicorn AC. Okay. Go man. No, not again. This time. What if I just g g let's play Moonera. Moonera. Narwhal.io. I remember that game. No. I'm gonna play with Narwhal.io now, dude. On. That's a narwhal, dude. Oh, my little jugular is gone. Watch this, boy. Boy, I'm an expert at this game too. What was that, shrimp? Drake. Wait a minute. I'm gonna play Space Golf. Spacegolf.io sounds fun time. Okay. What? 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 I don't. Uh. Uh. What? Cocky. Yeah. Grow your stick, poke other foes, and dash to protect. Oh, oh. I think it's exactly what you think it is, dude. No, it's supposed to be. It's what it's supposed to be. Oh, he poked me. He pricked. It said pricked, dude. Oh god, there's an ad. Massacre.io. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Barnes and Noble. Hold on, wait a minute. We gotta go to Barnes. What? It's Barnes and Noble, Ryan. It's trusted. Massacre. It's Massacre's not loading. CrazySteve.io. That's a game I wanna play. What? 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 I am lagging. Let's do facepunch.io. That has good art. What the frick is room 24.io? Oh god, let's see what else we can find while we load. This website is better than flipping Newgrounds, dude, when it comes to content. Get out. Report this ad. Not interested. Report this ad. Oh, okay, man. I'm gonna be Green Boxer. My name's Jeg. My name is Jeg. Oh yeah, they should get better ads. I know that the IO apocalypse is. Oh, I'm scared of myself. Eat my shorts. Dude, this game's easier than your mom. No, don't kill me. Oh, oh. Is this by the same guy? Because they also have revives. They also have the same ads too, dude. They have the same ads. Pa 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 pa. I'm killing the black man. Sweet potato. I killed sweet potato. Oh, jeez, I am true God. Why do they have like magic? Where's my magic at? I'm gonna heal and wait for my time to stream. Watch this. I'm big boy now. Get out of my house. What the frick? I'm out here. I'm playing room 2. I'm gonna be the cop.
I think it's really cool if you made it through the entire video, but if you just skip through, that's okay. It really means a lot, and when we upload more content on this channel, I hope you watch all of it because it'll just be us three idiots and a little bit of my editing to try and make the content quality really nice and pleasurable for your viewing experience, but also as cancerous as possible to a minimum extent. So, thanks for watching, and if you want to, we have a Discord. You probably should join, and we have a Patreon, but I don't think we're gonna really use it because it's Patreon, and I personally, where I think our channel is at, it's not really anywhere. So I don't think I should ever release it until the channel really needs the funding to put up more quality content. Because I have my own ways of making money, but Kyle and Lucille, or Caden, he calls himself Lucille, but I'm pretty sure his name is Caden. They they really don't have much money. I if we ever do it, it's probably going to be for them, and be really nice if we do it that you guys donate. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.